Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features Halifax influencer Holly's housewife life. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
I cannot wait to head out in this. Look at this beauty. Beautiful. Every angle is like bam, bam. Look at the color. Look at this gorgeous lilac color. It's very feminine. The cut of this with the sleeve is so flowy. I'm obsessed. I have to make an event just so I can wear this. It's the cherished dress, and it is absolutely perfection because it is a true tie wrap dress. So this comes totally undone. You can fix it. I have it double wrapped around my waist. I really wanted to snatch that midsection, but you can have a little freedom, and this will be forever in your wardrobe. Bam, look at this sexy floral. This is a very classic shape. It's got a high neckline, has the ruffle sleeve. The ruffle on the neck is absolutely to die for. And then we have slim through the hips with the ruffle hem, but the print on this, it's so fun. Look at the colors. They're very vibrant, but in a classic floral print. I love this dress so much. I actually just got complimented by two separate people while I was dancing around for you. So come check this out. It's brand new, and the tie on the waist makes all the difference. I feel like completely changes the shape of the dress. You can have a bow in the back, on the side, or no belt at all. This fits like a glove. Look at this. It's Eva Rose brand. That twirl, I gotta do it again. Look at the flare from that skirt. The print on this is stunning. It's a classic rose, but it's in really fun, youthful colors. Zipper up the back, so it fits you to perfection. I feel like I could wear this all summer long. Every event, you're going to see me. Just call me Joan. If this is not the most Mad Men inspired look, I love it. It is the perfect dress because it's a classic shape. Fits you a very tight and fit and flare skirt, but it has the most fun pattern. This has mushrooms on it. It's a little bit of floral. It's beautiful corals and blues and that green. Oh, this is perfection. This belongs in everybody's closet. Take a peek. This is a Dex, the poppy dress, and everything about it is meant for me. I feel like this was just meant to be. It has a beautiful deep V or a little V neck with the ties. You can leave those hang open, or you could do a little bow. It has a little flare sleeve. It has your belted waist, and the belt is quite thick, so it's very waist defining. And then slim through the hip with a ruffle just above the knee. Oh, I love everything about it. And the color can take you through summer to fall. You can pair this with cardigans. You can wear some tights. Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.